boys and girls, it's your friend Kristina. How are you guys doing? So today we are going to be making friendship bracelets out of pipe cleaners. Yeah, you're going to need 3 pipe cleaners. You can choose any color you want. They can be the same. They can be mixed match. Sorry about that. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to choose blue, orange, and pink. Yeah. Go. Okay, so this part is optional. You can tape it to a flat surface so they don't move around, and it makes it a little bit easier, but I'm not going to do that. Another way is that you can put it together like this. Here, you can put it together like this. Then at the top, you're going to twist it together so they just stay. Like that, see? So you have this. Okay, so this is kind of the difficult part if you don't know how to braid. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to braid. So you're going to have 3 strands like this. It's kind of simple. You just kind of have to, get the hang of it. Blue goes under orange. Pink goes under blue. Okay, orange goes under pink. Blue goes under orange. Pink goes under blue. Orange goes under pink. And you're going to keep doing that pattern until you get to the very end. And at first it's going to be a little hard, so you can ask your parents for help if you really need it. This is going to take a while. And I don't think you guys really want to sit there and watch me do this the whole time until I get to the end. So this is when I have already got another one finished. Okay, so imagine that I got to the end. At the end of it, all you're going to do is the same thing that we did at the beginning, where you just twisted the ends. At the bottom of it, you're just going to twist the ends together too. Then you're going to have this nice string. And then this is when you make it into a bracelet. You can either put your hand here. You can have your parents help you, or a friend. And then somehow you're going to twist it together. One goes under. Okay, so it goes 2 ends right here. Pretend that I have an arm, obviously, that there's an arm under here. You're going to have it together like this, so you have 2 ends that cross. Then you're going to go one this way, under. Then this one, the opposite. You have your bracelet. I'm going to hope that this fits. There you go. You have your friendship bracelets. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have fun. Bye!